Hey, what's going on, guys? Lead Gen Masters, what's up? It's Devin Dillard here, and these are the tutorials that I talked to you about earlier today in the session. This first one is going to be about custom audiences, and as you can see, this is my ads manager. This is just the test ads manager that I use to do tutorials like. Um, so if you look at what I'm going to do, these are the steps that it takes to create a custom audience. And as I go along, I'm going to explain some of the strategy to kind of reiterate those points, just so that you know how that flow goes. All right. So we talked about custom audiences, and custom audiences are for tracking engagement either on your website. Or people who are opting in to a lead magnet or to purchasing anything. You can create an audience for that, and you can also create audiences for video views, people viewing your videos and your ads, or even on your page as a post. Okay, so which is a really good way to create warm audiences, which is why going live on your page is very, very important to your organic strategy, because you can actually use the people that see your live videos and track the people who spent the most time watching, and actually target those people in your ads. So check it out. So if you hit this little square up here to the left, this is your business tool menu, and you go to audiences. It's going really slow. Um, Once this loads, you're going to see that I have one custom audience already made. So I'm going to show you how to create a custom audience for website visitors. All right. We're going to go click this custom create audience, hit custom audience. Once you hit custom audience, you hit website. You see all the different options you have here. All right. You have your video, you got people who put in a lead form. You have your Instagram business profile, which is tracking engagement, Facebook page, tracking engagement, events, tracking people who attended or people who said they were interested. Customer list is a very powerful one. So after you spend some time getting your customers, or if you've been in business for a while already, you have a customer list of people who have purchased from you, which it can just be emails. Doesn't even have to be names and addresses or anything. It can just be emails. You can take that, create a CSV file, and put that customer list into Facebook, and Facebook will match those email addresses to profiles on Facebook. And that is a great audience to create lookalike audiences with, because these are your highest quality audiences, because they're purchasers. Those are people who have bought from you, and as your highest quality audience is a customer. All right, so we're going to talk about websites. All right, so to create a website audience, you click website and make sure that you're using the pixel that is tied to your website. Okay. Here you're going to be able to choose through a couple different options. All right. You're going to be able to choose all website visitors, people who visited specific pages. This is one I use the most because it's usually per campaign, and I'm using a certain audience for a certain page that I'm trying to retarget, or that I'm trying to target with a new offer. Okay, so for this, let's say that I'm targeting people who have visited the sales page for this offer, for this program that you're in. So say that I choose a specific web page and people past 30 days, and contains and when you do contains, only use the last, like when you look at a URL, it starts with the HTTPS / whatever your domain is. So go.devindillard.com / whatever that slash is, that's what you use for this. Whatever that last, I call it, it's a suffix to your URL. So everything after the .com / use that to put in here, because I'm not going to go into details of why. Just trust me, do it. Lead Gen Masters, that's the suffix. All right, and actually I can throw a slash in there, right there, so it knows. So that's the suffix for um, this page, this program of mine. So I'm gonna put that there. Facebook's gonna know where that page is because my pixel, my Facebook pixel's on that page. Okay, and then I'm gonna give it a name. All right, the naming convention for this is whatever campaign, well, actually whatever page you're running it for. So I'm running this for Simply Social. So I get SS, and this is gonna be website visitors, Legion Masters. I just give abbreviations because you don't want to write it all out. You don't have enough characters. You only get a certain amount of characters to use. So it's Legion Masters past 30 days, right? So I got website visitors to the Legion Masters page for the past 30 days. And actually this is Legion Masters sales page, because you can break this down into people who not only reached your sales page, but say you're breaking it down to people who have reached your thank you page and you want to track your purchasers and create an audience for the people who purchased. Well, all your purchasers are going to reach the thank you page, or people who've opted in and become a lead. Those people are going to become, they're going to be a part of this audience if you choose the contains here as thank you, because most people's thank you pages say thank you at the end of it. All right, so you would choose thank you and put it there, and that's what your website, that's what your audience would be built off of, people who reach that page. Sorry, I got my coffee, it's late. Pumping them out, baby. So this is how you name it. All right, and I'm not actually going to create this because I don't need it. And you would just hit create and it would create it. You don't have to do anything else after that. All right, I'm going to show you another one, which is videos. So I don't really have any videos for this account. I don't know if it's tied to my page or not, but we'll see. So say that you want to target all the people who watch 50% of the last 5 lives that you did on your page, right? 5 live videos. So you went live and talked about working out, or did a live with somebody else and did a collaboration, and you want to target the people who watched that because it went really well. You had a lot of engagement. All right, so maybe you did that in the past 14 days. You choose video. This is another account that I managed. Here we go. So here's some videos that I posted on Instagram. I'm gonna choose campaign videos. Well, don't have any. All right, let's see what I've posted on Facebook. I'll just use one of these for instance. So I've had 30 people watch this 4-second video, which is not really a video, it's a GIF, but I'll use it just for example. So the 30 people that watched this, I'm gonna target those 30 people in the past 14 days that watched it. And that's what I'm gonna name it, right? I'm gonna name it value, or say video, let's say Instagram video post past 14 days. All right, I'm gonna say Simply Social SS at the beginning. All right, and that's what I would name it, and that's how you would do it. And you would hit create, and every time someone watched this video, they would go into this audience as long as they're in the 14-day time frame of whatever day that is. All right. In the same way you're creating these audiences, you don't just have to add these people into your targeting, but you can exclude them from your targeting as well. Okay, and you can do that inside Ads Manager, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So the last one I'm going to show you is this customer list. Right, it's so simple. All you're doing is downloading. Actually, no. Let's see. You're going to include email and phone number. Say that's all you got. Say no value, so you know if you didn't track the amount people were spending, hit no value. Prior to using custom audience, I accept. And all you do is drop the file in here. So if you have a CSV file, you go to your files, you would open this up, right? And you would drag it and drop it. Okay? Drag it and drop it in there, name it, and what it'll do is it'll give you a field. It'll show you what you dropped, and show you, actually I might just have to do this for you. Let's see if I can find one. Let's see, CSV. No, I don't have any on this laptop. Haven't created one, so I'm not gonna be able to go into detail and show you exactly because I don't have one to show you with. But you need a CSV file. It literally is self-explanatory. When you get to the next page, it's gonna ask you to include certain information or not. Only include things that are email, name, phone number. If it doesn't have that information and it's checked, uncheck it. Okay, then name it and then hit next, and that's what it'll show you. Is what I just talked about. It's unclicking and clicking things that you don't want included, and then once you do that, it'll set up and it'll appear here. Okay, so let's go back to the Ads Manager real quick, and I'm going to show you how to use these audiences. So this is your campaign. All right, we talked about this in 5-Day Legion Challenge, that there's a campaign level, ad set level, and ads. Campaign level is at the top. It's your objective. It's like, what are you trying to get? Are you trying to get leads? Are you trying to get purchases? Are you trying to get video views? You get to choose that here. And your ad set, you get to choose who you're targeting. So fitness challenge, I'm targeting weight loss interest of 30 plus. This is where you want to edit with your custom audiences. It's in the ad set. All right. So go down here. This is custom audiences. The only one I have is Facebook engagement. But look here, I can either include this audience or I can exclude it. A reason to exclude is that you only want to target people that don't know you. So if you're going to be using interest targeting and you're targeting interest like extreme weight loss, I want to exclude people that follow me because you don't want that audience to mess up what true cold audience data is. So when I say that, your warm audience is going to perform better than cold audiences. But if you mix them, your warm audience is people that know you. Cold audience is people that don't know you, right? And most of the time, when you're using interest, you're talking to a lot of people that don't know you. And to make sure you're talking to people that don't know you, you exclude certain things like Facebook engagement. Like I do past 180 days. I don't want people that know me at all. Website visits, all website visits for the past 180 days. And Instagram engagement. So people who've engaged me on Instagram because I want to talk to people that don't know me, right? So excluding those is smart. When you want to talk to your warm audience, don't exclude them, include them. And don't use interest, because when you're talking to your warm audience, I don't use any of this. But because these people already engaged with me, I don't need Facebook to filter them. I don't choose any location, any age, any targeting. I just let Facebook target the people who visited my page, because if my cold targeting is on point, I won't need to filter that layer of people. Okay, so that's it for custom audiences. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll be quick to answer those and help you out. So hope this helped. Hope this gave you some insight. Really, it's just to help you know what buttons to push and what not to push. And the strategy was given in the session before this earlier today. So talk to you guys later. I'll see you in the next one.